Hi, this is Sarah, Marketing Manager of ETRADEPAKISTAN.com. We are pleased to announce that Sarimco Group has launched an amazing e-trade portal named ETRADEPAKISTAN.com, which is first in its kind as it focuses exclusively on the Pakistan-made goods which are cultivated, manufactured and processed only in Pakistan. All of us know that nature has bestowed Pakistan with innumerable qualities. Pakistan is blessed in terms of valuable natural resources, hardworking, qualified and talented minds, and less charging labor. The goods which are cultivated, manufactured and processed in Pakistan are extraordinary in their quality and economical in their rates. Pakistan already enjoys a position of well-reputed exporter of textile, fresh fruits and vegetables, rice and grains, salt, turmeric, leather and sports goods. Much of the resources which Pakistan possesses are still unexplored in the world of exports. It illuminates the fantastic foreign trade potential of Pakistan. eTrade Pakistan is an e-trade portal specifically designed to provide safe, professional and smooth e-trading facilities to the interested importers by delivering services like reliable sourcing, business-to-business portal, professional inspection and quality checking during shipment to maintain the product quality. This is an undoubtedly a rich emerging trading portal for diverse business sectors. eTrade Pakistan is a platform where it provides everything made in Pakistan, from food items to agriculture, fresh fruits and vegetables, minerals, marble, textile, leather, furniture, rugs and carpets, real estate, woods and many more highly dependable products. We are providing all the facilities free for a limited time, so hurry up and visit this incredible e-trade portal now at eTradePakistan.com.